What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to record a soft glam makeup look. A lot of you guys were requesting that I come back to my channel and bring makeup looks back. I do a lot of them and show them on Instagram and maybe Snapchat, but I don't really record them anymore, so this is me doing so. So if you guys have a suggested or requested look that you guys want me to try, let me know. But I hope you guys enjoy. I'm probably gonna do a voiceover. I'm not really gonna talk through this video because I'm listening to my music and I'm vibing and I'm trying to make a TikTok in the midst of it all. So I hope you guys enjoy and keep watching.
powder. I usually use the Fit Me one, and I just lightly dab it all over my face. Moisturizing, take some translucent powder. I usually use the Fit Me one, and I just lightly dab it all over my face. Not too much. Then take and just see what happens and how amazing.
This is so hard. My thing won't stay.
And it's gonna stay on 24/7, and it's not gonna crease. Take some your primer. Also, wait for this. Take some any setting spray. I usually use the NYX one.
Keeps repeating.
Take some setting spray. Some setting spray. Could be any setting spray. I usually use the NYX one. After the setting spray, take a primer and just put your primer. Also, wait for the setting spray to dry first. Then just put.
Okay. Rub the primer in. Y'all, trying to follow a TikTok tutorial while doing your makeup is interesting, to say the least. I think we're coming up on the last spot. I'm looking very ashy, so pray for me.
Put on your foundation and just see what happens and how amazing.
Foundation do look good though.
If you wear makeup, watch. Change your whole routine and try this instead. Moisturize first. Then after moisturizing, take some translucent powder. I usually use the Fit Me one, and I just lightly dab it all over my face, not too much. Then take some setting spray. Could be any setting spray. I usually use the NYX one. After the setting spray, take a primer and just put your primer. Also, wait for the setting spray to dry first. Then just put on your foundation and just see what happens and how amazing your fucking makeup is gonna look. And it's gonna stay on 24/7, and it's not gonna crease.